Imagine yourself in this 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Being GM certified, this vehicle comes with a 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, a 100,000-mile 5-year limited powertrain warranty, and a 117-point inspection. Navigation included to help you get to your destination with ease. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Savor your listening experience with the premium sound system. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. Call today to schedule a test drive.